Now, for any of you non-believers in the saying Ford tough, this man is a straight savage, towing the skid steer and a deuce and a half. This man is a straight savage.
I mean, did you for all of us to know you left the state?
No. This thing's just bad to the bone. Now Alex is just a straight savage. No way I would have hauled this combo. A bunch of people will say, you know, oh, my truck will do this, my truck will do that. Well, this man here proves that if you're not actually doing it, what you say is just BS. This man's a go-getter. He doesn't want to talk about it. Just sipping a little Joe. Yeah, that's what I just said. He's just sipping a little Joe. Guys, I want one so bad. Ever since this trip, I've wanted a deuce and a half. I've always kind of wanted one, just the American in me, but this trip really sealed the deal. I want one. Oh, copyright infringement. We are on a recovery mission. We have the 3500 Cummins and the deuce in the back. Let's go save some people, boys. Now, I might not record a lot of this because obviously I'm going to be working and helping, and it's kind of rude to be recording while we're working. But if I can do some footage, I will, guys. As you can tell back there, we're rolling heavy, we're rolling deep, and we're coming out here to save lives. So he's getting us all hooked up. Sorry, guys, I wish I could show you more, but I cannot because of confidential information. But as you can see, he's getting us hooked up. I'm just kidding, I can't put that in there, but we should be able to pull it out of here without all the deuce and a half and stuff. Yesterday, I couldn't get up here. I was actually at a location. I couldn't leave the location, but we're here now. We're getting him up and out. Horn, so I can't beat the phone to stop. That's what I was trying to do. Wowzer, is this a hill. Now, I'm not in four-wheel drive. pretty much probably should be. But I didn't see this coming. That's one thing about GPS. It doesn't specify hill, no hill, you know, whatnot, anything like that. But here's where you can tell that that is a hill. If it wouldn't be foggy, you could really see. I'll actually pull in here and show you. Pulled it up the hill. But man, is this a heck of a hill. Everything up here is a Subaru too, by the way. Everything. Hope I don't get hit. Sorry about the wind noise, but look where I am up top here. Down there, that is a street. That is where I began, down there. And it literally just came up a big loop, 15% grade. That should give you a little bit of an idea as well. Now, let me get up here so I don't get hit. We're gonna sit and let the truck cool down, and yeah, good times. Trans temp is cooling down, 179, 180, but we're gonna start going down now. And this said 13% grade, which is, I don't know, you guys do the math. Is that better or worse than 15% grade? But nonetheless, we're gonna keep on going. Plug and chug. Here's probably perfect to show you just what I went through to climb, because we're actually almost at the bottom, and way up there is where we just climbed. All for tower work. Oh, I got a phone call. I got self-service now. No thanks to me. Mad River Glen Ski Resort. And I'm not saying this, you know, it's obviously not sponsored or paid, but this stuff is freaking cool, guys. Trucks use lower gear, 10% grade now. We're still going down. Look at these freaking cool little cabins over here, all etched away into the woods. I don't know if you guys like seeing this stuff, but I think it's amazing. I think it's cool as heck. Look at that one. Over there. Sorry, my windows are super dirty. Look at that one etched in. That one's freaking cool. I could see myself living in something like that permanently, not just here for a week. Sweet little place back there. Yep, it's confirmed. When I'm old and gray and retired, I'm moving up here. It's gonna happen. Just as I say that, I find the house that I would retire in. That is freaking amazing, badass, whatever you want to call it. Look at this one now too. That is awesome. A little hot tub out back. That's more my speed though. That's more my price tag. Not sure if you guys can see my new little buddy or not, but he's out here having fun. What are you doing, buddy? Look at him. He's so fluffy. He's so fluffy. I don't know what kind of dog this is, but I want one. My little buddy. What are you doing? It's deep, buddy. It's deep, buddy. Oh, get back out there. Get back out the high ground. I'll be right out. Mission accomplished. Man, is it a good feeling to be able to rip a generator out from a location that was not able to come out. The Deuce and a Half actually did have to pull the F450, which is, you know, it is what it is. That was definitely a slippery hole, and I understand why the guy got stuck. Now, basically, the reason it was stuck was the tires to the generator actually froze to the ground, and it actually was mud before they set it down in, and yeah, so it just sank. But we are free and clear, and I'm ready to go home. I will see you guys back home. I'm not sure if you guys can see. There's a little black ball right there. Little turkey. A lot of snow out here. All right, guys. Well, we got the Deuce all loaded back up. Anybody that talks crap on a Ford F450 or any Ford product is insane. That thing's a monster, and he's borderline insane for doing what he's doing. But he's got the truck. He bought it to do this. He's just out here living his life. Safe travel, guys.
See you later, send it, Steve. Next time you want to learn how to send it, let me know.
That guy's a savage. Like this guy,
I'll show you how to send it.
Straight insane. This is a good guy here. Very knowledgeable.
See you later.
All right, buddy.
Drive safe.
You too. 6.4s are terrible, they said. Never buy a 6.4. They're junk engines. They don't last. You won't get 120,000 miles out of it. Bam! In your face, 6.4 haters! In your face! Plug a joke! And yes, I know, there is an engine light. It is just a sensor, and I will take care of it when I'm done doing all this running around. It's literally snowing, and this guy's out here in a slingshot. Hold on, stand by. Look, and some of you guys put away your freaking Corvettes and like cars like that. Look at that. That's gotta make you guys ashamed. Oh, I gotta put my car away. It's literally snowing, and this guy's out here in a slingshot. And just like this, boys, we have another amazing trip in the record books. I'm pumped to be home. I'm excited. I'm tired, and I just want to get home to the kids. So if you guys like the content, smash that like button. Please subscribe, and we will see you in the next upload. Now, we do have a bunch of parts at the house for the C5. Maybe we'll do a little update video on that, and we do actually have some things for this at the house as well. So with that being said, thank you for watching, and glad to be back. It's actually 42 degrees here. It's actually like summer. As you can tell, I took my hoodie off. So all right, guys, we will see you in the next upload. Wham! I forgot to say, we're not out of the woodwork yet. We still have a 2-hour trip home. It'll be about 9:30 till we get home.